Welcome to our channel. Activating Samsung Pay on your phone makes contactless payments quick and secure. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Open the Samsung Pay app on your Samsung smartphone. If you don't see it on your home screen, check the app drawer or download it from the Galaxy Store. Step 2. Sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account by following the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Set up your security method for Samsung Pay. You can use your fingerprint, iris scan, face recognition, or a PIN to authorize transactions. Step 4. Tap the Add button or plus sign to add your first payment card. You can add credit cards, debit cards, or even loyalty cards. Step 5. Scan your card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. Include the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing information. Step 6. Verify your card through your bank's authentication process. You'll typically receive a verification code via text message or email that you need to enter in Samsung Pay. Step 7. Accept the terms and conditions for Samsung Pay and your card issuer. Review these carefully before proceeding. Step 8. Test your Samsung Pay at a compatible payment terminal. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open Samsung Pay, select your card, authenticate, and hold your phone near the terminal to complete the payment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.